Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am not actually cooking, or in this video I'm not cooking. I'm just going to be traveling, and as you can see my box is being my box is getting ready. As you can see, I'm packing my stuff for the journey. I'm actually going for a professional training outside town, so I'm going to be spending 3 days there, and I'm not going to be cooking my own food. I normally would just cook my food from the scratch, but I'm not going to be cooking, so I'm going to be eating out, and that's what I want to cover in this video: how you can still eat out and still be on your normal diet pattern, okay, and still make healthy choices and still make low starch choices. So that's all I'm doing. Okay, here we are, finally in the train on our way to Birmingham.
Narrow escape.
So it's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so fun. Birmingham, right here. We have arrived. All right, we have arrived. The city where my training is taking place. We have just arrived, and the train is trying to stop now, and I'll be heading out to the hotel. So good morning. So this morning session is just focusing on food intolerance, such as gluten intolerance or lactose intolerance. I'm trying to show you what you can have. So I'm having 2 slices of gluten-free bread here and half a glass of orange juice. So the later part of this video is going to be focusing on low carb eating. So yeah, there were just quite a lot of high gluten foods in the breakfast session. I had to especially ask for gluten-free option. So don't be shy, remember to ask them, because it has to do with your health. Okay, all right, so I've been enjoying my food, and I will move over to so trust me, the inside was beautiful. They had these lovely photographs on the wall. It was so
Trust me, everything's going to be nice.
Nice decorations on the wall. Everywhere, it was so beautiful. According to them, it's the biggest Chinese buffet in town. This is in Birmingham.
Yeah.
I will be showing you the name of this place very soon. So look at all of that beautiful decorations. Yeah, it was nice. It was really nice. This is like the entrance. This is the entrance. Wow, these ornaments are beautiful. Beautiful. This is good.
That's the Hippodrome.
Okay.
This is Broad Street.
This is Broad Street.
Broad Street. Going to Chinatown.
All right. See this high tower.
Yes, that's Beacon Tower.
Okay.
We have an apartment in there.
Lemon.
So,
Let's get a job.
these prawns are
Yummy.
very yummy. Mind you, they might have some sugar in the background, because the Chinese people, they normally cook with sugar sometimes.
How's the time?
So be careful how much you eat. You have to eat because you're out. Otherwise you will starve. If this is all you get, try as much as possible to be selective. Okay? My mouth is busy. Ask for that lemonade. Why did they put lemon there? Alright. This is Diet Coke. This is what I'm going to be having.
Yes, you are supposed
Because Diet Coke doesn't have sugar. It contains sweetener. So sweetener doesn't raise blood sugar levels.
No, don't.
Okay, so
No,
when you're considering choosing because of carbohydrate or sugar,
bring it.
choose Diet Coke if it's available, or diet other drinks, Diet Fanta,
All right.
Coke Zero, and the rest of them. That's just to help you manage your blood sugar levels or your carbohydrate or starch or sugar intake. I'm not trying to say that they are perfectly healthy just because they're diet, because some of the sweeteners we may not really be sure if they're very good for our health. But once in a while, would not kill you. Alright, so choose diet drink where possible. Here are the deliciousness. Here are this is one thing I love, which is mushroom. I love. Yes, they will relate them. Okay, but we're not going to wait for that one now. We'll come back when there's good. No. Oh no, I will try that one first. Me. Okay.
So that by the time she comes, ready to go.
I love this chenge.
I like anything.
Oh, anything fish. Correct vegetable. Yum. So you can actually load your plate up with veggies as much as you like. I love veggies. You know me in this channel, veggies is my thing. Let me just show you guys all the yumminess. Steamed fish with ginger, stir-fried lettuce with garlic. I don't think I would eat this stir-fry. No. And then you got shredded beef in chili sauce. And the different, in fact, I cannot begin to mention. You see, there are so many things here to choose from. So I mean, there's quite a lot of things to choose from. Here you got some seafoods. Here is mussels. No, this is mushroom. That one is mussels. That's it, mussels. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly, but that is a type of seafood. Here is vibrant health, deliciousness, and good health vegetables. Look, broccoli, carrots, and green beans. You can make choices from here. So if you're ready for vegetables, this is where you come to. My spot. Vegetables, high in fiber, delicious and high in fiber. Look at that. So here's my plate of vegetables. I will be eating lots of veggies. Okay, and then we haven't started. This is just the beginning. We got so much to eat. How can you come to a place like this and be eating starch? No. Make wise choice. Make a wise choice. Look, they're still bringing more. On this side we have pastries. Here are pastries. I'm not about to choose anything from this side. I'm just showing you. Here are pastries, different types of pastries, because they're all coated in flour, and I'm not ready for anything that has to do with flour. There's something that I normally like to have. That's chili. This is this is sweet chili. This contains sugar. It's a no for me. No, it's a no for me. It's a no for me. I'm not having any of these. All right, so I go back to my table to eat my vegetables. So here's my plate of vegetables. Here is mushrooms, carrots, very nice. Here is a type of mushroom. It's a type of mushroom. I'll try and figure the name out. I can't remember what it's called now. It's got a kind of crunchy texture. Let's hear it. This is courgettes. Courgettes. This is broccoli. Broccoli. Still got its color, but it's cooked really nice.
Original color.
So here is another plate of meat selection. I have 3 mussels, a prawn, 1 piece of beef, duck, lamb, and what do you call tofu, lamb with radish, duck, mussels. See that, so you can easily just pick, meat, vegetables, and then when I finish this, I will go have something sweet, but not overly sweet and not too big, so I can balance it up. And that is not just because I'm out and about. If I'm in my house, really, I would not bother about sweet, but here I will, because it's not every time. Yum, yum.